What's up, everybody? So proud of you guys. This is week 2 of your Temple Construction program. And now we're going to give you all some tips on your meal prepping and shopping. Really basic fundamentals for you to succeed, because when you plan, you succeed. And one of the most challenging for men nowadays is that we don't plan our nutrition side. We get so used to caught up going out for lunches and dinners that it's fine, but it's not towards our goal. So if it's not towards our goal, what's going to happen? We're going to fall off. So here's some basic fundamental meal prepping, shopping and meal prepping, and what to utilize at your home. So these basic fundamental tips is the tools that you need. Really starting off with these compartments. Okay, they have 2 single compartments, 3 pocket compartments. Choose which one you desire, or one with 1 big single pocket. All right, so with that compartment, you'll be able to put your proteins, your good fats, and your good carbs. Okay, basic fundamental spices that I use, and good fats as well is this basic extra virgin olive oil that you're going to use to saute your foods with, okay, or marinade. And this is a good option for a good fat. And then also coconut oil, I use this as a base as well, or as part of an ingredient for like my oatmeal or anything like that. Or I can put it on top of my snacks, or put in my black coffee as a great way to burn fat more if I'm choosing more of a ketosis style of a diet program. Okay. Also spices, garlic powder, okay, cinnamon, ground black pepper. Let's see, onion powder, garlic salt. Just basic black pepper. These are the basic fundamental seasonings that you can utilize to marinate your foods, your chicken breasts, your fishes, any type of proteins, and even your veggies for flavor. Nowadays at the store, you can choose your proteins. For example, lean ground turkey. This is has, let's see how many ounces this has. It has 4 servings of 4 ounces, so it's 16 ounces. So with this right here, you're gonna know if it's a 4-portion protein compartment for you, you're gonna make four out of these, 4 meals. So that's gonna help you out with 4 lunches if your portion size is 4 ounces. So when you're reading the label, make sure you're breaking it down to how many meals you need per day. This client in particular wants 14 meals, 2 meals per day, because he gets the breakfast in the morning, which is easy, protein eggs or oatmeal served in the morning before he goes to work or after his workout in the morning, right? And he has 2 meals prepared, carries the lunch with him to work, and has the dinner ready when he gets home. Right? That's how you meal prep, and that's how you plan. That's how you get prepared. You choose one specific day per week to focus on and make that time 2 to 3 hours to go meal prep shopping. After you made your list, come home and meal prep and utilize your oven as well. Because nowadays you can just throw chicken breast in the oven at about 375 degrees, about 18 to 20 minutes. You'll get a nice tender chicken breast. You don't have to worry about being burnt. Make sure you check the inside of up to 165 degrees internal temperature to make sure it's cooked all the way, okay? A lot of places have chicken breasts already prepared. You can utilize those, or if you have your own type of seasoning that's not gonna be too fattening or no fried or deep fried or anything like that, then you go ahead and utilize your own personal recipe, okay? That's the great thing about this. You know what you're putting into your foods, so you know what you're putting into your temple and your nutrition system, which is very, very important. So keep in mind when you're making proteins. Even fishes and salmon, they come prepared already, sliced already, or cut. These are right here about 4 to 6 ounces. This is a perfect portion size for a male. If you need a little bit more, ask the seafood people, servicemen, to actually go ahead and cut bigger pieces for you if you need it. But usually a 4 to 6 ounce size is good for a male size, okay? So after you have all these ingredients, you can season it with Bragg's liquid amino acids, okay? You have these different portions now. You have what to look for when you go to HEB or any favorite store that you go to, your local store. Find out what they have. Usually they already have a lot of natural ingredients ready for you, natural pre-cooked proteins, natural pre-cooked veggies that you can just take home, throw in the oven, boil it in your pot. If you use vegetables, make sure you clean it. Make sure if you can get organic, go for organic. If not, it's okay. Getting something natural around your budget is just fine, because it's a lot better than spending $10 at lunch, $15, $20 on a lunch or dinner. 5 times a week, that's almost $100 to $150 right there that you're spending just at lunch, right? And then you can utilize a third of that, literally a third of that, and learning how to prepare yourself an extra hour or 2, how to cook, how to put things in the oven, okay? And you can save up to $100 a week. Imagine that $400 a month that you're saving by meal prepping, preparing yourself, and it's meeting your macronutrients intake daily, and it's meeting your overall goal that you committed to. All right, these are the basic fundamental steps. Literally, find out your day, Pick that one day. Usually it's Saturday or Sunday. For most people, work Monday to Friday. Give yourself 3 to 4 hours. Make your plan of what you need for how many meals you need per week. What vegetables, what's the ounces, what portion size you're going to need inside your compartment. After you do that, go to the grocery store and focus on that list only. Do not get distracted and buy things you don't need, like the extra sugars, sweeteners, right? All the ice cream that you don't need to get, all the chips you don't need to snack on. Anything like that that's not towards your goal, don't get it. You're focused. You know your budget, $40 to $50. That's going to get you up to 14 meals. It is possible. If you need breakfast or oatmeal, one container is a couple bucks that lasts you up to 2 to 3 weeks. Eggs, you can last 2 per day. You get you a carton. That's easy. You're already set up. You're saving a lot of money. Your lunch, get your lean ground turkey, your salmon, your chicken breast. If it's lean bison on your menu, that's fine as well. Okay, tofu, whatever your proteins you need. Look at the portion sizes. Come back. You already got spices that you bought throughout the whole week, right? Seasonings that you have. Toppings like mustard or sriracha sauce or Tabasco for extra seasoning. That's fine too. You already have those bulk items already ready for you for the month. Okay, so you're saving money on that first investment. And then you get home, throw in your oven for 375 internal temperature for the oven to cook your chicken breast or to maybe cook your salmon for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, you have a saute pan, you can cook your ground lean turkey. Make sure you cook it thoroughly, 160 degrees internal temperature. Portion it out to your compartments. You have it all ready 5 days a week. You're focused, you're prepared. You clean up after yourself, and you just saved up to $100 per week that you can put towards coaching, you can put towards something area of your life, you can put towards investing, you can put towards saving, whatever goal you have to pay off. You just save you a lot of money by focusing on this program. And the overall result, you're alternating your mindset, you're changing your mindset, okay? And also you're transforming your temple and your body, which is getting the results that you need, because the majority of it is nutrition. And the most excuse and the most fear that we face is that we don't know how to cook, we don't know what to cook, and we go out and eat and spend $10, $15, $20 on fast food that is putting debt into your overall goal, okay? So these are the basic systems, basic steps. Download the document that you guys need. Take action on this, trial and error. Pick that day, make that list, go shopping, cook it, prepare it, plan it, execute it, and watch the results and the new natural energy that you're going to have, because you're going to fight off type 2 diabetes, you're going to fight off high blood pressure, you're going to fight off gout, you're going to fight off depression, you're going to create a better blood flow, and you're going to create more testosterone in your system so you can have better blood flow and power to work on these training and all this training that we're doing around your program. All right, guys, this is how you build a legendary temple as a legendary man. Let's continue building a temple for your spirit with the key components of meal prepping. Each week I'll add on a few more tips for you guys as you continue this program. But be consistent with this, because this is the game changer right here, okay? Thank you for helping you guys. Keep killing it. Make it happen. Put on your chef coat. It's all good, because a real man's going to have to learn how to cook eventually, right? So build these skills for yourself so you can apply it to your life and make things happen. Let's get it.